Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got a really cool thing in the mail. It is a magnetization kit for 4x4 and 5x5, but it's not corner edge magnets, it is corner core magnets, basically a ball core kit for big cubes. This is going to be exclusively at SpeedCubeShop from the company C Cubed. So what I got was basically a trial version to see how it goes and to give some feedback. And my favorite 4x4 is the YJ Zhilong. I think I put it above the MGC, above the WRM, above the GTS2. It's such a good puzzle. And yeah, so I want to check this out. So I got the kit in, and installation was fairly easy. I'm always afraid of the 4x4 falling apart, so I did a couple at a time. I was given a tool to install the magnets, and it's great is that the magnets are already in the pieces, so you don't need to like figure out orientation. That is all set. I found it was just easier to use my hands, so I glued them in. Now, some puzzles have spots where you could put magnets, so I think I was told that one of them, it might be the MGC 5x5, actually has nice circles that you can just push the magnets in, so you don't actually need a glue for it, but I didn't try that one yet. And when installing the core, instead of just gluing the two halves together, I actually just glued it to the core itself because it was a lot easier to keep in place, and I could just glue one half and glue the other half and call it good. I let it dry for a few hours just to make sure it was really set, and then I solved with it. Now, I went back to back with my non-core magnetized version and my core magnetized one. And after 3 solves, which is an adequate amount to have a really good comparison, the ball core was better. Now, if I'm going to be honest, I couldn't feel too much of a difference. But I like my cubes on tighter tension, so I loosened them and tried it again. And that's where I felt the difference. So the ball core one still had a nice stability that the tighter tensions had, but I was able to do a little bit more with it. I wasn't locking up as much. And the one that's not core magnetized on the looser tensions was kind of rough. And that's why I usually keep things in tighter tensions. So what this really seems to do is to have looser tensions, but also keep that stability. I love it. Now, as far as cost, I've been told these will be around $10 for the kit, and you can install it yourself. I'm going to assume SpeedCubeShop might have some sort of thing where you can ask them to do it, and there'll be something for that. But from what I've been told, I'm going to look at the email right now. C Cubed is going to be making these for the MGC 4x4, MGC 5x5, YJ Mini, Moyu Aosu 4x4, and the Moyu Aoshwang 5x5. There's plans to make them for 6, 7, Megaminx, Pyraminx, and Scube as well, but that timeline is to be determined. So, pick it up. Use discount code SCR to save at checkout and to help support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you C Cubed for sending this over and letting me try this. I am honored, and it works great, and the setup is really nice. I could not have asked for an easier setup for it. Hit like, subscribe for more content in the future. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. And as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.